Yo.
Squad.
You heard about that bitch?
Told that bitch from around the way.
Yeah.
Heard she been popping on all the niggas, man.
Yo.
Shit crazy.
Dropping it low, sucking niggas off in the cut. For
That's the type of shit that happens when you grow up in the hood without a father figure, man.
For weed though.
Bitches do shit to get high. Me, I'm trapping hard, working hard, just trying to get by. I don't know, it's kinda really hard to work a 9 to 5 and living in the hood, nigga, kinda hard to survive. Niggas hating on me because the way that I kick it, the way I be ripping these bitches, way I'm getting these digits. These niggas hating on me the way I'm whipping these whippers, and everybody hating on me, niggas getting them whippers. I got it. I gotta keep going, I gotta push it, and make sure that I make it to top, and I'm never cushing, I'm never soft. Always been harder like a boss, I'm making all my money flossing. You can see I'm going off, I gotta keep on moving, I gotta keep on stepping. It's freestyle off the top, and these niggas, they ain't rapping. These niggas, they never hard. These niggas, they always pussies. Click, clack, and bang, bang, bust shots at them rookies, you know. We gotta get it, how to get it come. You know that I'm winning, you know I'm always one. I'm always on the top, A1 sauce, and bitches really wanna fuck with me. I lay those off, I 3-point to my best ones in my dimes. And all these bitches, they fucking with me, they looking fine. Some of them got good minds, some of them got good brains, some of them got ass, some of them just got a lot of change. So I gotta play the field, I gotta keep it cool, I gotta make sure I'm smooth, never rude. I gotta make sure that she like me, gotta impress. I gotta make sure I ain't got no hickeys on my neck, cause when I get in the bed, I gotta go flex. I beat the pussy up and stretch your arms, both legs. Ready, you already know what. Hold up, I fucked up, I never froze up. I always come back with the bars and bars for bars. I always come back in the flyest cars, and the best chicks and the best weed and the drink on me. I'm sipping hard, baby girl, I got the stank on me. The loud pack booming, I keep the speakers knocking. Call us the speaker knockers, them 808s be knocking, them 808s be rocking. So you know that shorty coming to the crib, keep it topping. And I just tell her keep it pushing, baby. Call you a cab, call you a Uber. Do whatever you need, cause you know I never choose you. I just chose you for the night. I'm trying to make sure that I'm right. I'm trying to make sure that I'm taking it right. The right steps to the right path and the right way I'm dreaming. The right way that I'm looking and the right way that I'm scheming. I'm trying to get all this paper and I'm trying to keep all my demeanors. I'm trying to make sure that nobody see us, because you know we scheming on the low, trying to get for the low. Anywhere I gotta go, you know I'ma get it. So niggas keep disrespecting me, I gotta get the flow. I gotta let them know that it's never tit for tat. I gotta blow, I gotta fall back so I keep it smoking. I keep the L on me, these niggas they think I'm joking. And never take an L, homie, niggas stay focused. Make sure the money, the option in your family always notice. Nigga never fall off, gotta make sure I keep on spitting to get the bars off. Because my mind is kinda twisted from the loss of a lot of things that these niggas would never heard of. Got my loss on, wait a minute, the boss on. Feeling like a Max B nigga, boss on. Wait a minute, the boss coming home, the boss ain't gone. Everybody know I'm gonna floss till I'm gone. Floss while I'm on, floss while I'm shining. The sun keep beaming, so these niggas keep reminding me about how I keep dreaming and never find it. But I'ma keep dreaming to the day that I find it. Never let another man control my thoughts. Never let another man control the way that I floss. Wait a minute, I said floss a couple times cause I'm shining. Gotta let these niggas know that I'ma always keep grinding. Never take a time off to put the time in. Always putting time in to put the time in. Overtime, double that, 40 plus. Niggas understand me the way I be riding tour bus. I ain't on a tour bus, but I know that he tore us. The way your girl wanna come and ride on my tour bus. All them bitches love me, all them niggas on me. Niggas can't get off me, but these bitches wanna harm me. Everybody hating, everybody trying to get it, niggas trying to take it. But wait a minute, my brain is gone, never vacant. But if you know what I'm saying, I'm rolling up the stinky. Wait a minute, stinky legging when I'm beating from the basement. Nigga from the basement, back to the top. Yeah, these niggas keep thinking that I'ma jump off. If I do, nigga, I'ma fly and I'ma disappear, come back and raw star. I don't know, I'm trying to get my Rick Ross on. I'm trying to eat this money, trying to get big. Anything I'm saying is coming off of the head, so fuck up the mind it because you know what it is. About to go roll up another spliff. Them J's we be rolling, we smoking just like we whiz. Niggas wanna talk like bitches, they little kids, but I'm doing everything what it was and what it is. I'm like, I'm gone.
Squat.